For VOA Learning English, this is the economic report. A new World Bank study states South Asian countries can improve economic conditions for women. The study states the clothing manufacturing industry could provide millions of jobs for women in the area. Thus, because the cost of making clothing in China is rising. The study finds that Southeast Asia countries like Vietnam and Cambodia are increasing clothing manufacturing jobs faster than South Asia countries. These include India, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. But studies say lower costs and an increasing number of young workers give South Asian countries the chance to convert. Clothing manufacturing is a labor-intensive industry needing many workers. The World Bank study found that in countries where more girls and women work, marriage takes place later in life. Women have fewer children, they eat better food, and their children are more likely to go to school. On they have an economy growth. The World Bank studies say clothing manufacturing can be a viable industry for development, but it also says there is a need for industry supervision, better wages, and higher value